Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, this video is for those who are serious about their IELTS preparation. Okay, so if you are a non-serious IELTS candidate, don't watch this video, because this video is going to make you get your desired band. So if you are non-serious IELTS candidate, leave this video here and allow others to watch this video. Okay, still watching? Yes, it means you are serious IELTS candidate. Well guys, let me tell you, IELTS is most important in your life at present. This is very important statement I'm giving you, and you know that IELTS is most important in your life at present, because after a certain outcome of IELTS, your life is either going to go ahead, or it is going to take a U-turn, or it is going to go right or left. See that? Life will not be the same after IELTS, right? So, you need to see, if one thing is that important that it is going to mold your life afterwards, it is going to mold your future, it has become an essential part of your career, then you have to give it full importance. And IELTS is not demanding your lifetime. IELTS is not demanding years from your life. IELTS is only demanding a couple of months from your life. And if those couple of months, with good effort, with positive energy, if you're going to put all these energies to IELTS for a couple of months, you are going to get your desired outcome. And let me tell you, you have not seen what you're going to enjoy once you get your desired band score in IELTS. One of my students who went to Canada, right, the other day I saw her status, and she said, the country where I am living, even dogs have a lot more value than the people in my home country, right? See that? She said, you cannot even, scare a dog. Pelting a stone on the dog, oh, don't think about that. You cannot even scare a dog or any other animal. And these are the rights of animals. And if I talk about human rights, they are far more than my home country. See that? So, practically, you guys are going to step into heaven. Once you're going to get your desired band in IELTS, you're going to get the visa of your destination country, you are going to step into heaven on earth. And these countries are there to welcome you. These countries are there to make you the part of that very country, to make you the part of that society. My suggestion is, when something is so important, even today, when I look back into my past, I bless those people who molded me towards English language. I had a friend who molded me to become an English language teacher. I had a teacher who improved my English up to that very level. I had another friend who convinced me to teach IELTS, and I was not willing. He said, you can do it. I said, no, I can't. He said, yes, you can. And finally, I started that, and now you guys know me. So it is at the time of decisions your destiny is made. If I would have refused that friend who requested me to teach spoken English in his academy, if I would have refused that friend who insisted me to teach IELTS, life would not be the same. Life would be different for me. So right now, the decisions you are making, these decisions are going to transform your future life. If you want to enjoy sound life with all the facilities, with all the rights, if you want to live like a human and enjoy all the human rights, IELTS is going to take you there where your value is going to be 100 times more than your value now. I'm telling you, honestly, I'm so sorry if I'm going to hurt anybody. I don't mean any country, I don't mean any special person and all that. Okay, these are some general things I'm telling you. So the price is only IELTS Take it seriously. Now you're living in the age of technology and literally you can teach yourself anything. If I want to teach myself Chinese in the next 1 hour, I can learn 50 sentences in Chinese without any teacher, without going anywhere. You know what I mean? Okay, so with so much, this age is called information age. We are living in information age where literally all the information is in your grasp, at your fingertips. So if you are the part of this age and you don't get your desired band in IELTS, and because of IELTS you don't reach your destination country, believe you me, you will be very, very sad one day. Then your children and their children will not be happy about that. They would never know about it, but they would not be happy. But if you successfully achieve what you actually want to achieve, that is why you are watching this video. You are interested. It's been more than 8, 9, 10 minutes and you've been watching this video. It means you are interested. You want to transform your life. So if you're going to do that, then one day a child will say, my grandfather migrated to Canada. My grandmother migrated to Australia, and you would be that grandfather or grandmother. Okay? So, like in our life, there are two things. Things that we control and things that we do not control, right? Visa policies are difficult. Visa policies are being changed. We do not control that. But our efforts to get desired band in IELTS, this is something that we control. I'm not a motivational speaker, but I am your well-wisher. I take good care of you. You are my students, you are watching my videos, you give me the portion of your life. In return, I try to add some values to your life and to your careers as well. All the best, guys. We also teach IELTS online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we offer IELTS test booking service, we offer PTE classes, we offer IELTS single module preparation. If you want to get any of these services, our WhatsApp number is given. You can contact us for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Do something in life that one day you are proud of. One day, with the feeling of pride, you tell your children and their children, once upon a time I faced this challenge and then I came out successfully, and that is why you guys are enjoying the result of my effort and my struggle. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.